are so excited by how GEMS, Girls Engaging in Math and Science, event has grown in Hoover. We started with just over 50 girls 9 years ago, and today we're almost at 400 girls participating in this event. The purpose of the GEMS event is to inspire girls to hopefully pursue STEM fields or STEAM fields once they leave us in Hoover, such as engineering, such as computer analyst, such as fields in mathematics. So you know, our theme this year was Girls Over the Moon, and we were so excited to finally get a Alabama native, Dr. Jan Davis, who has been to space multiple times, and you could just tell hearing her speak to our girls just how engaged and how excited they are to be with an actual astronaut here this morning in Hoover.
Interested in this stuff because it brings out the inspiration that could help us with anything we want to do in life. A lot of people think that like engineering, science, and all that stuff is kind of like made for boys. But like this is fun because like us girls can prove to boys that we can do just what they do and maybe and most of the time even better than they can do it.